Greetings to the house at large. I'm standing here today. I don't know where the strength comes from because on Monday, it's a situation I cannot even express. When I opened my TikTok, I was called the lady in red. It really broke my heart to see that people, when we are crying, people are creating content. But in short, I would like to just give you this verse from Isaiah 43 verse 2. It says, when you pass through the waters, I will be with you. And when you pass through the rivers, they will not sweep you over. When you walk through the fire, you will not be burned. The flames will not set you ablaze. This is God telling us that in every situation that you are going through, I will be with you. I am saying this because Buhle was a prayer warrior. She prayed a prayer that will change situations. As young as she was able to motivate us as old people. So in short, I would like to say, Lalango Xolo Mashwabade, you will be missed dearly. Yabong.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Amake lesambona akhala kabuhlungu laphana ku accident lendeke lapha eValley ya taxi driver na truck driver. Finally simbone akhuluma for the first time and bantu abaningi basho ukuthi oh Nkosi yami, she is so strong. Bantu abaningi bamvela buhlungu lo make ngemva kokuthi bambone akhala kabuhlungu ngaleli suku alengoti lendeka lapha eVala bantwana bayesikolweni ekseni abasho labanye bathi lo make kuleyo ngoti ulahlekelwe bantwana lababili, like she was crying kabuhlungu avisa abantu labaningi buhlungu endlela lesimanga. People were just saying ukuthi bambekile emthandazweni, they are thinking about him. Banaye kulesikhathi lesimatimana kangaka, so simbona khuluma for the first time and manje baningi bayasho nje Nkosi yami ukuthi waze waqina, but uNkulunkulu ohlezi asicinisa because uyabona ukuthi naye ungumuntu elokholelako kakhulu uNkulunkulu njengoba simva uze wakhotha nelivesi. Ushiye abantu abaningi basho ukuthi we are still with you emthandazweni. May the kids' soul rest in eternal peace, and we send our condolences to all the families labalahlekelwe bantwana babo. Please do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.